stars. So today I'm going to talk about 5 most dangerous birds. So now let's begin. First bird, the cassowary bird. Cassowary kicks are powerful enough to break bones or even kill. They are heavy birds who can weigh up to 80 kilograms. They are found in North Australia, Indonesia, and New Guinea. Second bird, the emu bird. Emus are large flightless birds which share claws. They can become aggressive and can deliver powerful kicks. They are a lot like ostrich. Third bird, the harpy eagle. A powerful bird of prey, the harpy eagle is known for its strong, impressive size. It is capable of taking down prey much larger than itself. Fourth bird, the showbill. The showbill, also known as the whale-headed stork, is a large, long-legged fading bird. Their strong, wide beak enables them to target some rather sizable prey, including crocodiles, lizards, even large antilopes. We can found in the regions of Sudan, Congo, and Rwanda. Fifth bird, the great horned owl. The great horned owl have powerful talons and beak. It can attack humans if they feel in danger or if their nests are disturbed. They live in North America. They use their strong talons to carry animals several times heavier than they are. Now here is some sounds of these animals. First, the cassowary sound. Now the sound of the showbill. Last one, the harpy eagle. Tell me in the comments if you knew one of these birds. Bye stars, hope you enjoy this video. In the next video, I will do the most dangerous fish. Now I will let you with the gameplay for those who want. Bye stars.